Hello YouTube. Today is going to be a sad video or sad recap, but it's all because of my fault. As you guys can tell by the title already, I blew up my 500 accounts that got me the 16K payout, and it's all my fault. I was in the moment and I decided I'm gonna make it back or I'm gonna lose it all right now, and I lost it all right there. So this actually happened yesterday. I didn't make a video yesterday because I am so sick. But yesterday I literally could not talk. My voice was gone. So I decided not to make a video. And I just rested a little bit. I'm so sick right now. And maybe that's why I blew my account because I was sick. But who knows. But yeah, I learned from it. I was honestly impatient. I don't know what got into me. I also had a little bit of bias paralysis. I was stuck on one bias and I just couldn't take in the fact that my bias is wrong and the market does what the market wants to do. So pretty much going into yesterday, I already knew we had extremely bearish order flow coming to New York Open. All of this right here. So where were we actually? So this is 9 o'clock. I'll just replay it from like right here. Boom, 9 o'clock. So where was 9:30 opening? 9:30 opening is right here. So 9:30 open, we just shot up. And I forgot what I did yesterday actually. We just shot up. I was on the 1 minute chart, I'm pretty sure. Trying to short something. We shot up at 9:30. I took my first initial trade right here. I set limits at this fair value gap and put my stop right here. Immediately got stopped out. Reason why I took this trade is because I thought we wanted London low, which was right here. London low was not sponsored by anything. No order block, no fair value gap, nothing. Did not get sponsored at all. So that is why I was sort of still a short bias, because this pump up did not make sense to me, and I was kind of just stuck on that little narrative I had. So I thought we wanted to lend it low or at least sell side liquidity. So where were we? So after we ran up to take out buy side liquidity once market opened, I thought that was just gonna be manipulation. We ran down, disrespecting this fair value gap, sweeping out the high. So I thought we would retrace into this fair value gap, and then ultimately get this sell side liquidity or run to London low. But we did not, and we just ran up, which is completely fine. I risked very little here. I risked like 150 bucks, which is not a lot at all. And then right here we tap into this fair value gap. I believe this is an hourly fair value gap. Yeah, we're in this 1 hourly fair value gap right there. We're in the hourly fair value gap. We saw that liquidity. This plays down, creating this fair value gap here, and this is where I entered the second short. I believe it was like something like this, like that, and stop at this high, and right there. This is where I entered the second short, and yet again I got stopped out. And this is when I started getting a little mad and tilted. I still thought we were gonna be short. I was still looking for shorts, and I was just right here. The shop really got me. I tilted. I over risked. I oversized. Because this trade I actually risked a decent amount. I think I risked around like $400, $500. And after that, I took another trade. Like, I forget where, honestly. I think it's like right here. Rejecting the highs. I wanted to short this on the 50-second chart. Got stopped out again. So I had like $1,000 in drawdown left. And I decided to risk it all. So I'm still a little sick, as you guys can hear my voice. So this is gonna be a short video, but I just wanted to update everyone who watches my YouTube channel about my journey of my accounts. But sadly, did not last long. I did not get to my second payout, which is okay. It's just another lesson learned. I honestly think this is okay. Usually I would tilt a lot harder, but this time I had the mental stop in my brain where I was like, I should stop right now, and I was honestly about to, but I made the decision not to. Usually I would just be going at it without even realizing, but this time I had I was conscious. I knew what I was doing, and I knew that it could end out good or bad. And I believe that these accounts made me a better trader because I feel a lot more disciplined. I have rules that I follow now, or I follow my rules more now, and yeah, I think overall I learned a lot from these accounts. So just because I didn't get the second payout with them, it's okay. I will get the second payout with another set of accounts, and I know for a fact I will. So going on to start my new 5 accounts, going to slowly build that up and update you guys when I build it up. But yeah, that was yesterday. Today, I was just training the evals, so I don't really. I just yeah, I just trade the evals. I actually passed them, so I'm going to be training the funded accounts tomorrow. See how that goes. Build it slow and steady, and hope for the best. But price action recently, yesterday was expansion. Today was chop, more little chop pretty much. Not we didn't really go anywhere today. And yeah, we still have 2 days left of the week. Overall, really bullish week so far. So we'll see how Thursday and Friday acts. I don't know if you have any news. I didn't really check, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. Um, Overall, not completely sad that I blew up the accounts, but very disappointed because I forget the feeling of buying evals and blowing like $1,000 on 5 accounts, which is okay because I got the payout, but still, it's not a good feeling. It's like it's whatever's because I don't really spend my money on anything else, but having to do it again and again, and I blew up the evals a couple times. I'm not gonna lie, because I like pass. I don't have patience with them. I want to get it like 1 or 2 trades, 2 or 3 trades, and I'm past. So I blew it up a couple times while trading it, which is even more money. But it's not a good feeling. Like if I just stopped trading yesterday and kept the accounts, I would have saved myself money. That's something I don't really think about at the time. I try to win back my balance inside the accounts, but I had to think about if I stop trading here, I lose balance inside my funded accounts right now, and I save money from not buying evals. So that's just something else to think about whenever I go on tilt. But besides that, just gotta learn and just trade better next time.